Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we'll play in solo Minecraft build battle. Let's go. Guys, the first thing for today is fridge. Let's build it. So I will do it like this. Here it would be a door. And yeah, I think it will be fine. Let's move it up. Guys, so I built it up like this. Now we can do a character. I'll do a guy with a blue t-shirt. I don't like this fridge. So I don't know. Get the same idea as mine, but I think mine is much better. Mine building, so I think it's okay. That looks like an egg. I don't know. So only okay. That's mine. Wow, epic. And also epic. Wow, legendary. Nice, nice, guys. It's okay. What is it, guys? It's like a grape or what? Yeah, it's like a grape and watermelon. Here. Okay. It plugged in. Okay, also okay. Don't like it too much. A good idea with the door. It is also okay. It's even meh, I think. It's also meh. I don't know. Okay, I understand that it's fridge, so I'll put a car. We have 5 points. So let's move to the second game. Game is Ninja, so let's build it up. I'll start with his body, with the wool, and then I'll add some different blocks. Guys, I built his body like this. We need to fill in the holes, and then we can build his head. Okay, I'll add red eyes. we have a ninja like this, then we will add his bar. And I wanna also add fine knives. Let's see how I can do it. And then the second hand. Can remove the floor for stone, and I think that's it. That is my ninja. Okay. I understand that it's ninja, but it's like just square thing. Okay, the same thing. I understand that it's ninja. Looks like a flag of Amsterdam. But only okay, guys. Only okay. What is it? What is it? This looks like a Pinocchio, but okay, never mind. Oh, Epstein Island. Legendary. What the hell? What the hell, guys? What the hell? That's mine. Oh, legendary? No, 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 not legendary. Good, good. Okay. Okay. Also, okay, even mech. What is it? What is it, guys? I'll put okay. Okay, I'll put good. I like this. Legendary, okay. Mech, I don't know. And this one, and on the 10th place, guys. Imagine this on the 10th place. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video, and see you later. Bye bye.